Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Forza Horizon 4 in virtual reality. While the game doesn't natively support virtual reality, you can still immerse yourself in its open world using third-party tools. This process requires a capable gaming computer and a virtual reality headset. We'll go through the steps to set it up, keeping in mind that the experience will be unofficial and may have some quirks. Let's get started on transforming your racing experience. To begin, you'll need the right equipment. First, confirm your gaming computer has a powerful processor and at least 16 gigabytes of RAM. A high-end graphics card, such as an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or AMD Radeon 6000 series, is vital for maintaining smooth frame rates in virtual reality. Next, you'll need a virtual reality headset like an Oculus Quest 2, Valve Index, or an HTC Vive. Finally, you'll need a third-party virtual reality driver. Once you have your virtual reality driver, the next step is configuration. Install the software and then launch it. You'll typically find a list of supported games. Select Forza Horizon 4. Within the driver's settings, you can fine-tune parameters like three-dimensional depth, field of view, and head tracking sensitivity. Experiment with different rendering modes, such as Z-Buffer 3-dimensional or Geometry 3-dimensional, to find what looks best for you. This customization is key to a good experience. With the driver configured, launch Forza Horizon 4 through the virtual reality driver. You'll likely need to adjust the game's internal graphics settings. Prioritize frame rate over ultra-high fidelity. Reducing shadows, reflections, and anti-aliasing can yield substantial performance gains. Remember, this is an unofficial method, so some visual quirks or interface issues might occur. Despite these minor challenges, you can now experience the vast open world of Forza Horizon 4 from a truly immersive, first-person virtual reality perspective. Have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.